Welcome to the ChiliPAC Bookshelves tutorial. Using ChiliPAC Bookshelves in your library's online catalog will help you quickly structure and organize your book lists and is a great tool when searching your book list. You can keep your bookshelves private or share them with other readers across the globe. Just one click and you've got your book in one of 3 bookshelf sections: completed for items that you have finished reading, in progress for items that you are reading now, for later for items that are on your wish list to read in the future. Let's take a look at how we do this in the catalog. There are 2 ways to add books to your bookshelves. The first way is to go to My Profile like this and then click on the My Bookshelves link here. Switch between your bookshelves like this: completed, in progress, and for later. Click on Add Item to open the search box, enter search term here, click on Search. This will perform search in your library's catalog, and click on the plus button to add the book to your bookshelf. If any books in results are already on any of your bookshelves, it will show like this. In case you need to move the books between your bookshelves or you want to remove a book from your bookshelf, click on Bookshelf, and at the item you want to move, click on the drop-down menu for Different Bookshelf or Remove from Shelf. You can also move or remove several books at once. Select the checkbox and in Select Action drop-down menu, choose Delete or Move to the Bookshelf option and click Apply. To find items on your bookshelves quicker, you can use the Sort By option, where you can select between sorting by date, author, or title, like this. If you are ready to inspire other readers, mark the checkbox Public and click Save, making your bookshelves public. When clicking Save, you'll see the link that you can use to share your bookshelves via email or social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, or other means. Just copy and paste the link and share it with your friends or family. Once anyone opens the link you have shared, they will see items on your bookshelves like this and will be able to switch between shelves. Any user can open the link. It does not require logging into your library's online catalog. The second way to add books to your bookshelves is by navigating the catalog search results or item details page. Do any search in your catalog like this, and you will find the Add to Bookshelf drop-down menu in the search results list, as well as on the item details page. If the item has already been added to any of your shelves, it will show this. You will also find Add to Bookshelf drop-down menus by browsing other user book lists and other places around your catalog. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.